Learn how to make money online. Everyone today, it seems like, is looking to make money in the online world, but sadly many of those people have no idea how to go about it. If you are someone who is confused about the process, then relax, there are great tips to help you in the following video. Get started today by watching about different ways to make money online in the video below. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income, or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Making money online is a great way to earn a living, or just a few extra bucks. After watching the above video, you see how simple it is for you to get involved in this process. The best way to go about it is to constantly seek new tips and ideas on how people are making money online. Since you just read a great video about the subject, you are already ahead. Student loan,